Morning, students of Vivek Tech, Amritsar. Today we are going to attempt an IELTS Task 1, and you have an option of looking at the video till the picture of the task appears and try to attempt the task yourself. You can write your answers as we have already explained on the paper and click it and send it to us, or you can type your answers in the comments and we will check it. To start with, uh, you have to be you have to spend time on understanding what the question is rather than on just starting off with the question right away. So you can look at the video till you want and then stop it and start writing. And you can just understand the question, attempt it, and come back to the video and listen to what I have explained. Or there's an option you can go as far as you want down the video and start writing when you want. It's your wish. This is the graph. Stop here and start writing if you want, or you can go further. If you plan to go further, plan the task before attempting to write. The line graph is no date, so the tense has to be simple present. Line 1 is one-to-one teaching. That's the fastest, takes 50 hours. And the one line is the slowest. When people study alone, that takes 289 hours, almost 6 times. Group studying takes 161 hours, half of the time that alone people will take. The introduction paragraph should introduce the topic as well as inform the reader about the time period, if any. This does not have any time period. The paragraph should be around 40 words or near about. Try not, try not to use the words used in the question. Total task should be about 160 to 180 words, and you should attempt finishing this task within 20-25 minutes. First introduction paragraph. The given line graph illustrates and correlates the amount of time taken in learning a language from beginner to upper intermediate level. These are the two levels. The time is calibrated, time is measured. Calibrated is measured in hours. Overall, immediately after this introduction, you could write an overall paragraph, or you could keep the overall for the last. It is the sum up of the whole thing. You could look at the overall in such a way that uh, there is a if somebody is in a hurry and just reads your introduction and your overall, he should get the gist, the main information that the graph was drawn in the first place to explain you that information. So ਤੁਸੀਂ ਦੇਖਣਾ ਕਿਹੜੀ ਇਨਫੋਰਮੇਸ਼ਨ ਹੈ ਜਿਹਦੇ ਕਾਰਨ ਇਹ ਸਾਰੇ ਦਾ ਸਾਰਾ ਗ੍ਰਾਫ ਇਹ ਲਾਈਨਾਂ ਬਣਾਈਆਂ ਗਈਆਂ तो immediately वही गल ओवरऑल से डालने की कोशिश करनी है and overall should be another 20-30 words near about. Overall, when a student gets one-to-one private tuition, they take the minimum time to reach B2 level from A0 level, and the maximum time is required by those who study alone. ही गल समझाना उससे ग्राफ बनाया गया कि अगर कोई स्टूडेंट कल्ला अपने आप ही पढ़ता है उन्होंने सब तो ज़्यादा टाइम लगता है लैंग्वेज सीखने से, और अगर उन्होंने कोई वन-टू-वन पढ़ाए एक ट्यूशन ट्यूशन दे कल ही प्राइवेट ट्यूशन उन्होंने सब तो घट टाइम लगता है. Body. The lowest level of language proficiency is A0 and the highest level or intermediate B2. If a student takes private tuition from a teacher, the rise from the lowest level to the highest level takes only 50 hours. However, those who study alone on their own, they take almost 6 times more time. So, furthermore, those who study a language in a group, they take half the time that a person studying alone takes to reach the B2 level, that is about 150 hours. That is where the information about the graph ends. Thank you. Attempt it. You should send it to us. We'll send back our feedback. And please do comment in the comment box because your feedback is valuable for us. And attempt this as you have attempted so many other tasks. Please, please let us know what what kind of feedback do you want to give us in the comment box.